Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Wickr verification. First, ensure you have administrator permissions on your Discord server. Next, we'll cover inviting the bot and navigating its dashboard. Then, we'll dive into configuring specific verification rules and roles. Finally, we'll touch on advanced security features to keep your community safe and welcoming. To start, find the official Wickr invitation link, usually through a quick search or its documentation. Click the link and select your server from the drop-down menu. Make sure to grant all necessary administrative permissions for the bot to function correctly. Once invited, head to the Wickr dashboard, typically accessed via a web interface, to begin customizing your settings. Now, within the Wickr dashboard, locate the verification module. Designate a specific channel on your Discord server where new members will undergo the verification process. You can choose from various methods, like requiring a reaction to a message or solving a simple CAPTCHA. Crucially, assign a verified role that the bot will automatically give to members who successfully complete these steps. Beyond basic verification, explore Wickr's advanced settings. Configure anti-raid features to automatically detect and mitigate potential threats, protecting your community. You can also customize welcome messages, verification prompts, and timeout durations for unverified members, ensuring a seamless experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This powerful robot offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners, making your life much easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.